Understanding to get a raw deal, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in movies, books, or conversations. To get a raw deal. Understanding such expressions is crucial for mastering English, as it not only improves your comprehension but also enables you to express situations and emotions accurately. Let's explore what it means to get a raw deal and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. The phrase, to get a raw deal, refers to receiving unfair or poor treatment in a situation. It implies that someone has been treated worse than others in a similar position. This expression often conveys a sense of injustice or dissatisfaction with how things turned out. It's important to recognize the context in which this phrase is used, as it can help you understand the speaker's feelings or the narrative's tone. To better grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. In the workplace, if an employee works harder than their colleagues but receives less recognition or reward, they might say they're getting a raw deal. In personal relationships, someone might feel they are getting a raw deal if they put more effort into maintaining the relationship than their partner. Consumer situations, if you purchase a product that turns out to be of much lower quality than advertised, you could say you got a raw deal. These scenarios highlight the versatility of the phrase and how it can be applied to various situations to express feelings of unfairness. When using to get a raw deal in conversations, it's essential to match your tone to the context. This expression can be used both informally among friends or in more formal discussions about justice or fairness. Here are some tips. Be empathetic. Use this phrase to show understanding and empathy towards someone's situation. Express personal feelings. It's a powerful way to convey personal grievances or dissatisfaction with fairness. Discuss social issues. This phrase can also be used in discussions about broader social injustices or inequalities. Understanding the phrase, to get a raw deal, enriches your English vocabulary and allows you to communicate more nuanced feelings and situations. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and uses for you. Remember, language learning is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and connect with others. Keep exploring and practicing, and you'll find your English skills improving every day. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.